Hi everyone! If you're a caramel lover like me, but have never tried making caramel sauce at home, you really need to watch this video. Making caramel sauce is extremely easy and nothing can beat homemade stuff. Ingredients are simpler than you can think. Some white granulated sugar, double cream, some good quality vanilla extract, and just some plain water. The process starts in a stove with sugar in medium heat and just enough water to help sugar dissolve. I'm giving it a quick mix to make sure water is equally distributed. That's all. Next step is wait and see sugar and water to come to caramelization, which should take something around 8 to 10 minutes or maybe more depending on how much is your quantity. It's been 7 to 8 minutes now and caramelization has started. As you can see, sugar has started showing a light amber color and lots of bubbles are throughout the sauce. It's very important that you keep a close eye on your pan because things from this point happens very quickly. One more important thing which will give you the indication that your caramel is done is the sweet caramel smell, and you can never miss that. Once caramel reaches a darker amber shade, remove it from the heat and put it on a kitchen towel. Next, carefully pour over double cream on hot caramel, and I have already mixed vanilla to it. Be very careful while doing this step as caramel is extremely hot and the touch of cold cream will make the sauce foam up and volumize. Keep on stirring until cream and caramel mixes together and becomes smooth. Once you are happy with the smoothness of the sauce, let it cool down and then use a sterilized clean jar to store it. Caramel sauce stays very well in refrigerator for months and the use is diversified. This sauce works great as topping on your favorite dessert, and it can also be used on many recipes as a key ingredient or maybe a side ingredient. Once sauce completely cools down, it becomes a little thick and the consistency should look something like this. And once again, I would like to invite you to subscribe to our channel to show us your support. If you liked this recipe, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And now I'm gonna enjoy my homemade caramel sauce with some ice cream. Try it at home, and if you come across with any problem, put your questions on the comment box below and we will get back to you. Thank you all for watching.